We can magically create wildfire.
Jakara!
And the coin freezes solid. Winter is here.
Magically summon smoke. Summon fire in the palm of your hand, just like that.
EvanEraTV.com.
Let's do it. Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. I've got my special guest with me, Dan Lok.
Thank you, Evan. People look at what I do, they say what I do in terms of sales and closing, that's magic. But here, today, we're actually gonna learn some magic, and I'm gonna perform some magic for you, hopefully.
We're gonna do some Game of Thrones magic tricks 5 in their life.
Winter is coming.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, check this out. I have an empty hand here. Watch, if I just rub my fingers like this, and magically summon smoke.
Very simple trick. All you need to do was one of those, matchbooks.
Matchbooks.
Just like this.
And you can use small packs of matches like that, or you can also use a big box of matches. We're going to trim up the matchbox with our Game of Thrones scissors. Trim away everything but the strike strip of the box. Now you want to separate the layers of the paper and just peel off that top layer of the strike strip. Fold it up just a little bit like this and sit it face down like that on the plate. Now you're going to take a match and light up the paper and then set it on the plate and let it burn.
Song of Ice and Fire.
Safety tip, make sure you let the fire burn all the way out and give the plate plenty of time to cool before you touch it. So once they burn down, it leaves a little bit of this residue on the plate. You want to take your finger, this is what's actually going to make the magic happen. So you take this little residue on your finger and you just rub back and forth like this, and it creates the illusion of you summoning fire or smoke at your fingertips. Very cool and very easy. So try it at home.
And the key is to make it look cool.
Yes.
You don't want to do it light, nice and slow, right?
Oh, you gotta add some panache. So you could use this to enhance a coin or card trick, or you can just do the smoke effect by itself. We also advise wearing gloves to protect your skin if you're going to try this at home. Watch the dragon. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret to this trick is extremely simple, and we'll show you how it's done right now. Okay, here is the explanation to making a dragon breathe fire in real life.
It's a bit easier than I thought. It's pretty easy, right? All you need is a dragon.
Toy dragon.
A toy dragon.
Stay tuned for the end of the video. We're giving this dragon away.
Yes. And also dragon breath. Literally, it's called dragon breath. It says right here, right? All you need to do,
Basically, you're just going to position the dragon to your audience. You're going to hold the dragon's breath behind the dragon, and then all you have to do is squirt the dragon's breath over an open flame. It will ignite, and it looks like your dragon is actually breathing fire like a real dragon.
that's right. And the key is make sure you don't face the dragon this way. That's a bad idea.
And make sure your audience doesn't see your little bottle of dragon's breath. Stay tuned for the end of the video. We're going to give away some bottles of dragon's breath to you.
Remember in Game of Thrones, the fight scene, the huge epic fight scene with the Night King. The witch comes in and she summons fire, lights up all their weapons, like in the dark.
This is a super easy version that you can pull off at home, no practice at all. Okay, check this out, watch. Just summon fire in the palm of your hand. So as you can see, this is kind of like a lighter. It's got a little spark wheel right here. That's what we use to ignite the flame. And then right here, there's some wadding. It's like a lamp's wick. And we're gonna take some lighter fluid and we're going to soak the lamp wick in the lighter fluid just like this. And then we can close up the lid until we're ready for our performance. Now you wanna conceal the little box in your hand just like this and curl your fingers up so from the front your audience cannot see the box concealed in your hand. And then all you have to do to create the illusion of you summoning fire is spark the wheel. You can then flip this closed to extinguish the flame. Stay tuned for the end of the video. We're giving this away to one lucky comment.
Imagine you're at a party or something like that. You want to be the three-eyed raven. You want to be able to predict the future, read someone's mind. You can impress people with this trick.
Absolutely.
Very simple. All you need is just a simple, post-it note like this, right? And what you would tell them is, ahead of time, I have written down a number. I'll predict a number that you would think in your mind. So ask them to think of a number from 1 to 10, right? And all you need to do, just kind of like this, right? And then put it in the back and say, okay, go ahead. So give me a number. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever it might be, right?
I'm gonna go with 7.
So let's say this, here's the 7 numbers, right? Are you sure? It's always that little bit showmanship. Are you sure about this? Yeah, I'm sure. Are you sure? Okay, number 7, right? And then in your mind, like, okay, what's the number again? You say, Oh, it is 7. And then all you need to do is right here, you would. Let's go back. This is how it works.
So how did you know what I was going to say?
Because of this thumb tip. See? So there's actually a little tip right here.
Ah, a little pencil.
The pencil here, so, right? So we put this in our bag. We're holding this. So I'm holding the pad. Whatever they say number 7, number 1. Then all you need to do is hold the pad and you draw it. Very simple, right?
No matter what they say,
You know the number.
they can say any number is right.
Even slowly tell the people, okay, is your number. That's how it's done. Remember the scene that Cersei destroyed the High Sparrow Council, right? That explosion, the wildfire, this is how it's done.
So watch the little bowl right here. If we just take the match and light it, we can magically create wildfire. That's so beautiful. Look at that green flame. So cool. Here's the secret behind creating your own Game of Thrones wildfire at home. You're gonna need adult supervision for this if you're a kid. It can be a little bit dangerous, but this is the method to setting it up.
Hey kids, be careful at home. Do it very, very carefully. Don't do this at home.
Safety first.
Safety first. And the key is you need the dragon glass.
Very good. You're gonna need some borax. This is what the box looks like right here. You'll also need a small metal bowl like this and a spoon to mix. And you'll need some of this. It's called Heet. This is Antifreeze for a car. You can get this at most automotive stores. We're gonna mix these two together to create our magic wildfire. So you're gonna take some of the Heet, and I wanna note it has to be this brand. And this kind of bottle, this yellow bottle. So you're gonna pour some in, and once you have the Heet in the bowl, you're going to dump in just a little bit of borax, about 2 spoonfuls, and then stir it up. Now if you're presenting this as a magic trick, you wanna do all this preparation before you show the trick to anyone. So you do all this mixing behind the scenes, and then when you're ready to go for the performance, you're gonna take a match and light this up. Another really cool thing about this wildfire is it cannot be put out. You can't blow it out. It has to burn out on its own or be smothered out just like real wildfire. So you can take a lid to smother it like this if you want to extinguish the flame, but there's really no other way to put it out. Now if you're curious how this works scientifically, the Heet antifreeze actually has methanol in it, which mixes with the borax and creates trimethylborate. And when trimethylborate combusts, it burns green just like wildfire.
That's the magic of creating wildfire, like Game of Thrones.
And thank you so much for having us up to Canada.
It was so much fun.
Home.
It was so much fun.
fun.
Seriously, am I the worst magician ever?
Not the worst ever.
Not the worst.
Definitely not.
I think I just keep my day-job job, right?
I think you have a lot of potential. I really think you do.
Kevin is so patient with me.
But thank you for having us here in your beautiful home. It is amazing. I just want to show a little highlight reel of how you live in here.
comment below. Let us know.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. And be sure to go check out Dan's channel. He's got amazing advice on how to be successful in life and some really good advice if you're an entrepreneur or a business person. Check it out. Link in the description down below. Go check it out and subscribe to Dan. And it is giveaway time. We are giving away the magic props from this video. You can win a Game of Thrones dragon figurine just like this one here. We're also giving away 10 bottles of Dragon's Breath to lucky comments in the comment section down below.
Dragon's Breath, not bad breath, right?
Correct.
Forgot to brush your teeth. You got yourself a bad case of dragon breath.
Leave a comment down below. Today's key phrase is Game of Thrones, so leave it in the comment section down below. The more comments you leave, the better your chances of winning the giveaway. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our previous episode of How To Magic. The winners' names are magically appearing on the screen right here. Please send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments below. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at
like. Love you guys.